We started with this project when Whirlpool was coming out with a new wash machine. They needed a new basket line to produce that new wash machine basket. So they came to us with trying to improve what they had done previously, moving from hydraulics to servos, and then also including LDD weld monitoring. Something that we're probably the most efficient at out of any integrator in the world.
Investing in automation is a crucial point for our U.S. manufacturing. It's part of our long-term strategy. So in order to deliver on safety, quality, and efficiency, we need predictable equipment. And the only way we're going to achieve that is through automation. And working with JR Automation, we did our best to front load safety, quality, and overall efficiency. We really wanted that to be the base for this new equipment coming in.
Being able to make 1,800 stainless steel baskets a shift helps us to keep up with the demands of the lines, because those lines they run about 2,505 baskets on each assembly line. So having this line brought in with the increased stainless steel demand is really helping us keep up with our customer, which is assembly in this case.
With this particular project, we have space constraints that we have to deal with. We have budget constraints that we have to deal with. Outside of that, they really wanted to make improvements on the previous project with this new basket line. Previously, they had done shear cutting, which cost them a lot in scrap material. Switching over to laser cutting, we were able to get a better edge quality. And then using LDD to monitor that welding process, we were able to get better quality of product out the door.
Because we're getting a cleaner edge, we're getting more predictable welds, we're getting less failures. Also, from a cost perspective, we're not trimming off a 1/4 inch of scrap with what you would traditionally see with a mechanical die set.
Your main focus is safety, then quality, then delivery, and this line helps provide all three of them. This is a very safe line, as you can see, with all the cages and automated robots and everything. We don't have people going into the line, putting them at risk from a safety standpoint. And then, like I mentioned as well, with the laser cut, you don't have the burrs on the end of the wrapper like you do with the cut to length die.
They really understand their customers' needs. We're able to communicate with them effectively by explaining what our objectives are in regards to safety, quality, and efficiency. And you can see the output of that in our equipment. You know, equipment like this, you only get to bring in once in a lifetime or maybe once in a career. And to be able to walk past equipment every day and see that we're driving towards zero quality, zero safety, higher efficiency, it just makes me proud.
Automation is where manufacturing is going. So bringing in a state-of-the-art line like line 13 that JR helped bring in is a very key part of being able to keep our market share, but also grow it so we can be here for the next 100 years to come.